We are leaving Dawki towards our bike. On the way, we found one more route bridge, heading towards a new place in Northeast to explore. If you guys have seen my last video, we were enjoying at the Dawki bank, camping there and swimming over the river. And now we are heading towards a new place of Northeast. We found a good place to cornering, so I was quite excited to cornering in this roads. But quite dangerous because there are many vehicles coming, but it's a empty place, so I did a lot, enjoyed a lot. And somehow we're still in Meghalaya. We took a bit time to pack up and tie up in the bike, so our friend left us, but we'll meet on the way. We meet again in a petrol bunk. Since then, we are riding together. We are planning to have we found a nice local place in Jawai, Meghalaya. We had local food, so nice, so tasty. Soon after a great meal at Jawai, we changed our direction in the map, and me and Tanmay heading towards Imphal, and other of our friends they are heading towards Kohima, Nagaland. So I just want to cover Manipur also, and there is one more reason to go in Manipur, as there are few of my college friends belongs to.
गांव का नाम
लताछरा है।
लताछरा। और कुछ बताओ।
तरफ लो ना।
हाँ हाँ ले रहे हैं, और कुछ बताओ गांव के बारे में।
तो क्या बताएगा बोलो तो।
क्या अच्छा है गांव में? गांव में क्या अच्छा है?
अच्छा तो
चाय को छोड़ के, चाय तो अच्छा है।
बहुत अच्छा है।
चाय भी अच्छा है।
जरा पी लो ना। अच्छा जरा पी लो।
मेघालय जितना खूबसूरत उतना भी मिल गया हवा।
हवा दूल्हा भी खाता है कंपनी साला। अभी भी
जितना टेस्ट मिलता है जितना आप बच जाए।
So this is from Lathachara. We are actually checking in, and we had a nice tree. And this place, people are really nice out here, and will please try to come. The roads, as they said, like it's gonna be completed in a month's time, and it's gonna be awesome. Checking out.
इतना धूल है रे रास्ते में, ये रास्ता खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। यहाँ थोड़ी ठंडी हो रही है, पूरा धूल धूल हो गया। चलते हैं, we'll check how many more left. 45 kilometer more. Yes, that we'll be reaching at 10:30 p.m. in Silchar.
After a tidy ride to Silchar, we took our night stay at Silchar itself. Then we are heading towards Imphal. So first of all, like, we got some muddy slushy road. Then some good newly road. We reached Imphal at night around 11 p.m. in my friend's place. There's a nice warm welcome in Imphal. Our dirty bikes are nicely cleaned by his father. My friend Othoiba, we called him Babu. He took us to a live football match. Cultural activities going on there, temple, lake. Then in the next morning we visited Loktak Lake in Imphal. That was Asia's largest lake. Then we took a bye from him from Imphal. It was a nice meeting with him. But anyways, see ya, sabakher. We'll see in the next video.